Alright, let's see what we got in here. And that knife is dull. Jeez. More tearing than cutting. Alright, what do we got in here? Ooh! I know what those are. Tappet guide covers. Hoo-hoo. Those are for a sportster case. Where is that sportster case? That'd be for this big heavy boat anchor here. This is my airplane motor mock-up case. So this is a rubber mounted turd, late model, so it's 04 and up. So this has this style of lift or hold down mechanism inside of here, which is a screw that holds on two little stands there, I guess, what are you going to call them. And then these are the covers that go on top of these, just like that. So now if I want to use this for my airplane mock-up, I can use this. I actually know what a cylinder has to be because now I got the part that goes on here. Put a couple Allen to hold it down and we're good to go. So now the guy that had the Allen bolts in there wanted $10 more for them, so I didn't buy those because I'm cheap. So there's no reason to buy extra expensive stuff you don't need. So I'm going to go over there and try to find me some Allen bolts over there in that drawer over there. About that length. I need at least 4 of them. Ooh. Not much of a selection there to choose from in that length. It's probably more the length they're supposed to be. I'm not sure. We'll do 2 and 2. Too short, too long. Alright. Tight quarters over there, so we'll figure out which ones work best. See if that's the right one. Oh, look at that. That one was the short one. Let's try a long one. Appears to be going in. Long one fits. Definitely got to go screw it in long. Oh, there's one bolt in here already. And the short one is what they use stock. And see, even my short one is longer than their long one. See, I had a longer one. See, 3 different lengths, see? Looks like they use a real stubby one. That's not much threading. That is not what I would recommend for holding anything in. That is short, short, short. That's very short. Obviously, with something that short, they aren't caring about any kind of cover, any kind of support. That is really nothing there. It's long and fits, but it's a workout getting it in there. Okay, give me another shorty. We'll find me a short one over here. Two more short ones. Maybe I need one or two. I need one more, don't I? So I got me a real short one like they used. So we use a long one on the front. We use a short one in the back. There we go. So now we've got mock-up covers for making it easier to figure out our push rod locations for our big ass cylinder.